Day 3 was altogether more pleasant. The trail continued down the same dirt road as before, but the thunderstorms overnight made it a lot less dusty. As soon as we crossed the river at the suspension bridge, the dirt road finished and it just became a beautiful cobbled footpath through fields of cardamom. We climbed away from the river and found a really nice restaurant to have tea at, and now we're in Sukethum, which is about 10 k's down the road, and a really nice tea house here. I'd very much recommend the Panda tea house here in Sukethum. But that was day 3.